Sairam again. So let's start the topic. Okay. So in the first video we were discussing about what is rational number and the concept and then what is the definition. Okay. So taking all these things now the second class is started. So watch carefully. So what is rational number? Anyone? Yes, the number which can be converted into p by q form. P by q form and q not equal to 0. Yes or no? And p and q are integers. As p and q are integers, then only you can say the rational number will be what? Negative. The rational number will be positive. Why? Because in integers, negative signs are there, positive signs are there. Negative numbers of integers, positive numbers of integers. Yes or no? And 0 also here. That's why the rational number maybe you may write positive rational number and negative rational number. And another is what? 0. Tell me, is 0 is rational number? Yes, you may write 0 also. You may write 0 also rational number. 0 also rational number. Then what is positive rational number? The number which can be written as what? In positive sign. That is 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 6 by 9 and minus 2 by minus 3. This is very important that. Is rational number positive or negative? It's positive, because if the numerator and the denominator are both negative, already you can say it is positive rational number. But negative, just put the negative sign. Just put the negative sign. 5 minus 5 by 7 and even 6 by minus 8 also what? Negative, because the denominator negative also it's what? Negative, but it is not a standard form of a rational number. Okay, I will come. What is standard form? So 0 also rational number. That part is completed. Yes, negative, minus, minus, both side minus, that means it is also positive. Then 0 also, that is what? That is 0 also rational number, because 0 can be written as 0 by 5, 0 by 6, 0 by 9, but 0 by 0 cannot be determined. So 0 by 0 you can't get any value. Don't think 0 by 0 equal to 0. No, 0 by 0 not equal to 0. 0 by 0 you can't get any value, because the denominator is 0. That's why 0 by 0 you can't get. That means cannot be determined. But 0 can be written in the rational number, that is 0 by 5, 0 by 6, 0 by 9. Any number you just put, no doubt it will be a rational number. The concept is that as p by q is integer, in integer you are getting the negative, positive, 0. That's why the rational number will be negative rational number, positive number and 0 also a rational number. But 0 by 0 is not a rational number. Mind it, it's the main thing there, because 0 by 0 cannot get any value, cannot be determined. So this is the concept. Next, write absolute value. So what is absolute value? You may write absolute value of a rational number. Rn, rational number shortcut I am writing. You don't write shortcut, you just write absolute value of a rational number is its numerical value with, you write with no regards to its sign. So that can be written as rational number, that can be written how? With no regards to its sign. Only write the numerical value. So one example I am telling, 2 by 3. What is the absolute value of 2 by 3? You may write 2 by 3. Only the numerical part you just write. What is the absolute value of minus 2 by 3? You just write only the what? Only the numerical value. क्या होता है? 2 by 3. Getting? It's very easy. Okay. Now next you write standard form. I am writing. Write standard form of a rational number. Right? Standard form of a rational number. What is standard form? Right? A rational number, you write a rational number p by q. That means p by q what? A rational number of p by q, where you write where p and q have no common factor. Factor, because I am not under this topic, you may write no common divisor. It's very easy, isn't it? No common divisor other than 1. P by Q, any rational number which can be written as what? P and Q have no common divisor other than 1. And you may write and Q will be what? Positive, very important. The denominator should be positive. If negative, you can say it's a rational number. But come to the standard form, Q should be, the denominator should be what? That is positive. One example I am giving. Suppose, write one example. Suppose I am writing that is 12 by minus 16. Yes or no? In standard form? No, it's not standard form. Because there is common divisor. What is the common divisor? How can you get? You just take the what? HCL. क्या होता है? 12 and 16 का HCL क्या होता है? 2, 2, 6, then what? 8, then 2, 3, 2, 4. Then 2 into what? 4. That means the common divisor, right? The common, right? The common divisor is what? 4. Then what to do? Divide both sides. 12 divided by 4 minus 16 divided by 4. What will you get? 3, then minus 4. 3 by minus 4. If there is any common factor or common divisor, there is no common divisor between P and Q, between 3 and 4, except 1. So what will do? So one thing I will tell you, the definition tells Q, the denominator should be positive. Here for negative. So what will do? Your automatic sign should be changing. So you may write minus 3 by minus of minus 4. That means minus both sides. I multiply minus. That can be to what? Minus 3 by 4. Now you can say that minus 3 by 4 the standard form. Why? Because between two numbers, that is between P and Q, only 1 is the common factor. Yes, except 1, there is no extra common divisor. I am writing factor. You may also write divisor in standard 9, 10. You know what is factor between two number. But if you know, no doubt. But you just know the divisor, common divisor. है ना? Because यहाँ पर क्या होता है? The common divisor क्या है? 4. That means 4 is divided both sides. 4, the 12 can be divided by 4. 16 can be divided by 4. But whenever dividing both sides 4, you are getting 3 by 4. Now you can say, can you say that? यहाँ पर कोई divisor है except 1. Except 1, there is no other divisor here. That's why it is called the standard form. But negative sign is given. That key, what is the denominator is negative. That means that Q should not be negative. Come to positive. Both sides multiply negative. You are getting minus 3 by 4 is the standard form. Okay. Thank you. Now.